Hello, my name is Haris Benano. My serial ID is 1211203392. Today I'll be teaching you guys on Form 4, Chapter 4, Set, subtopic Union of Sets. Okay, so right now, the union of set P and Q is written using the symbol U. So the symbol U means union. But the union of two sets P and Q is denoted using the symbol U, union. So the union of sets P and Q is a new set that contains all the elements that are in P or in Q or in both. Let's say, for example, we have a set P with 1, 2, 3, and then we have set Q 3, 4, 5. Right, so the union of P and Q denoted by P union Q contains all the elements from P and all the elements from Q. So we just add everything together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is how you do P union Q, which contains all of the elements from set P and set Q. Union of three sets are A, B, and C, represented by A union B union C. Let's say, for example, so set A, we have 1, 2, 3. We have set B, 3, 4, 5. And we have set C. We have 5, 6, 7. So the union of these three sets denoted by A union B union C is a set that contains all the element from A, element from B, and element from C. So the union of these three sets will be, just add everything together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. That is the union of sets. It's a new set that contains all the elements that are in the original set ABC. Alright, next we will be doing example. So right now we have three private travel agencies, A, B, and C, are chosen to organize the tourism exhibition 221 in Sarawak. So there are several divisions in Sarawak are chosen to hold the exhibition as follows. So we have the universal set, Kapit, Diri, Bintulu, Sibu, Limbang, Buka, Kuching, Bentong, and then we have three sets, A, B, and C. So in set A we have Miri, Sibu, Kuching, Bentong. In set B, we have Miri, Sibu, Kapit, Limbang. And lastly, set C, we have Miri, Bentong, Kapit, Muka. So the question asks us to list all the elements following the sets A union B complement. So there's a complement here. What is complement? Complement is basically the set of elements that are not in that set. Elements that are not in that X set. So let's say X have 1, 2, 3, and set Y have 3, 4, 5. So if you do X union Y bracket complement, so anything that is, wait, let me just add one more, Z, 5, 6, 7. Alright, X union Y complement. So right now, the universal set will have all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we have X union Y with complement, bracket complement. So anything that's in this union here will not be added as the answer. So X union Y complement basically means you take the value of X and Y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and don't include it in your answer. So we only take 6 and 7. The reason we're not taking 5 is because 5 is already here in the y set, which is right here 5. So we cannot take 5. So the answer will be only 6 and 7. So following this example here, list all of the elements of the following set A union B complement. Okay, let's do A union B first. So A union B. So what we do here is just add up the elements in A and elements in B together. So we have Miri, Sibu, Cheng, Betong, Kapit, and Limbang. So this is the elements that are in the set A union B. A union B complement. So let's go up here again. Let's see. So Miri we already have in both sets, so we cannot use that. Bentong is already in set A, so we cannot use that. Kapit is already in set B, so we cannot use that. Ka, yes, we can use because it's not included in A union B. What else? In the universal set, we also have Bintulu, which is not in any part of the set. So your answer here will be Bintulu and Muka. That is your final answer. Alright, next we have 4.3, combined operation on sets. So combined operation involve both intersection of set intersection and union of set U at the same time. So combined operations of set are solved from left to right. However, if the operation in brackets, the operation in brackets must be carried first. Alright, let's say an example. We have set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B we have 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so we can perform combined operations on this set using the following formulas, which is union and intersection. So A union B, as you already know, union of set A and B, which means that all of the elements there are in either A or B or in both. So we'll have all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, we have the A intersection B. So A intersect B means that the set of all elements that are in both A and B. So we're gonna choose only the intersection between A and B. So the only intersection here we have is 3 and 4. So the intersection will be 3, 4. Next example, we have the combined operations. Alright, so now we need to combine both of these into one operation, which is the combined operation. So we have A union B intersection A. So we have A union B, which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we perform the intersection of this value, and then we intersect it with A. So intersect with A, we have right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1 is intersect, 2 is intersect, 3 is intersect, 4 intersect, 5 and 6 is not intersect. So this intersection, let me rephrase this. So we have A union B intersect A. So from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, which is intersect. So the answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4. That is it. That's it. So need to remember to solve the conversions from left to right, and also perform the operation in the bracket must be carried out first before complete the operations. Okay, next we are going to do the example. So same as before from the union of set. So right now we have three private travel agencies, A, B, and C are chosen to organize the tourism exhibition. Several divisions are chosen. So as usual, we have the universal set, set A, set B, set C, all the elements in it. So right now we need to list all of the elements in this. So we have A union B complement intersect C. So as we remember, we need to read from left to right, and if there's a bracket, we need to do the operation in the bracket first. So let's take A union B out first and list down the elements. So we have Miri, Sibu, Kuching, Betong, Kapit, and Limbang. So this is A union B. Next, we have A union B complement. So A union B complement means these elements are not included in this set. So we have set C, and also we also have Bintulu, which is not part in any of the set. So we just list down. Miri and Bentong is not part of this because it is already in set A and set B together with Kapit. So we only have Muka right here. So the answer will be Muka and Bintulu. Alright, next we will do the A union B complement intersect C. So this value right here will intersect with C. So right now we have Miri, Bentong, Kapit, and Muka in set C right now. And this element we have here in A union B complement, we have Muka and Bintulu. So we don't have Bintulu in here. So this is not intersect. And we only have Muka right here, which intersect. So the final answer will be Muka, because this is the only value that is intersect from A union B complement and set C. Thank you.
Bye!